Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Hello, Azmain. How are you?
Hello, sir. I am fine, and you?
I am also fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. What's your full name?
My full name is MD Azman.
What's your nickname?
My nickname Azman.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Kokon.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 7.
What's your school name?
My school name is Shundurpur High School.
How old are you?
I am currently 12.
What's your union name?
My union name is Barpara.
What's your upazila name?
My Upazala name is Daudkandi.
What's your district name?
My district name is Kumilla.
What's your division name?
My division name is Chittagong.
What's your country name?
My country name is Bangladesh.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
When you get up?
I get up 5 a.m.
When you go to your bed?
I